Hey, gentlemen, how are ya? Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing. And Tim, great catching up with you, my friend. Wanted to get this screencast off to you guys and see what we could do to help getting some leads coming in, get that phone ringing. One of the first things idea I kind of want to introduce to you is that our company specializes in getting your phone ringing through the top three of this map pack. That's where we want your company. And the first page of the Google organic search. Okay, I did this one for roofing contractors, did another one for roof repair San Antonio. And then we're going to take a look at your competition. Going to talk about the top three things, gentlemen, that Google holds in highest regard when it comes to ranking a company on the first page of the Google organic search here. And then also talk about your Google business profile, and you guys actually have one in there that's pretty decent. Just needs to be tweaked to get you here. If we're under roof repair San Antonio and I go a little bit deeper, you guys are actually in the 6th position. There we go, right here, roof fix, one. Yep, you're in the 6th position. So a few little tweaks in the Google business profile will get you here, and then I have some tricks to keep you there. Okay, so if we have your business here, and we also have you in the top 3, first page of the map pack, you're going to garner about 70 or 80% of the actual traffic for this. And just so you know, the traffic for this, let me take a look at, is right at 700 per month for roof repair San Antonio. 700 people a month search Google for that search term. Which is actually more than roofing contractor San Antonio. It's actually 600. So anyway, don't want to get off track. So gentlemen, I wanted to take a look at the top 3 competitors in your area and see what we can do to beat them so that you guys are in this position here. So first we got Elite, then we have GT Roofing, and Addicts and More is kind of doing some ancillary advertising for the top 5, quote unquote. And then Transcendent Roofing SA. Okay, so those are your competitors under Roof Repair San Antonio. That's what I went with, and that the reason is that I found the keyword difficulty for ranking your website is low for roof repair, but high for roofing contractors. If that makes sense, I can show you that here in a minute. So I took a look at your competitors. And the first thing I wanted to talk with you about is of the 3 things that Google holds in high regard is content is still king. And believe it or not, Google wants to see more than 1,500 words on your homepage. So when I go to the top 3, I look and see how much content do they have. So Elite Roofing Solutions here, they have quite a bit of content, about 1,200 words, 1,400 words. And then here in some additional resources. Okay, so that's Elite Roofing Solutions. That's what their website looks like. Okay, Transcendent Roofing. They are actually, you know what? Let me pull them. Sorry. Wanted to pull them into the other position to where they actually landed in the search. So that you guys can see everything in order. Okay. So they're actually in the 3rd position. Then GT is in the 2nd position. And again, I look at content. They've got some pictures, some images. There's a lot of content right there. 6 different profiles, more on repair, professionals. So you can see pretty decent website, but a lot of content. Again, guys, that's what we're looking for. Okay. And then the last one is Transcendent. They've got a video. You guys have some good video, which is a great element that you have on your website, which I love. We just need to add some content. So you can see content for these guys. Each one of these sections pops up about 100 characters or 100 words. Okay. Then the other thing to keep in mind when we're talking about keywords, if you just take an image and you right click on it and you click Save Image, see this up here, it just says 7-410 by 308. This actually is the area where you put in keywords for your company and your city, and that all adds up to more searches coming to your website. Okay, so that's your competition. You got Elite, you got GT, and the Transcendent. Okay, and then here's your website, which I love. This love the colors, love the drone footage. That is cutting edge. Good job on whoever put the website together here. This has great layout, some pretty good content right here. Submit form. I like this, certifications and that kind of thing. So we got some pretty good content here. All right, you got about 500 to 600 words. We need to more than double the content that you have and add some categories. So in other words, we could actually take these 6 categories and expand on them. Okay, but this home page has to have over 1,500 words of content for Google to really sit up and take notice. Okay, now the second thing beyond content is backlinks. Okay, now I have a tool that looks at backlinks and some other things here. It's called Ahrefs. So I went ahead and threw the competition and your website into Ahrefs. And again, here we have Elite Roofing Solutions. They're in the #1 position in the search. UR right here is the popularity of the website, and DR is the strength of the website. Okay, now they only have 26 backlinks from 15 referring domains, only 168 keywords. Excuse me. And that's because they actually are more of a regional nationwide company, and this is the San Antonio section. So it actually looks at exactly what they're doing here in the local market. Okay, you can see their organic traffic is 1,300 a month, and their value is about 23,000. Okay, if we move on to GT Roofing, 22 on the UR, and which is popularity, and then their domain is very weak, very weak. 288 backlinks, okay, 134 referring domains and organic keywords. So we're talking about backlinks, and the backlinks are what drive the organic keywords, which is what people are searching for, if that makes sense. Okay, and so their traffic per month is 2,200, and their value is at 38,000. Okay, last one, Transcendent Roofing, 30, very popular on the UR, but the DR again low. 777 backlinks, 938 organic keywords. Okay, and so this is an interesting combination of things. 1,900, so their traffic actually is a little bit lower, and their value is sitting at almost 28,000. Okay, and then here's your website in the same tool, and I can see exactly what we need to do here, gents, to beat your competition and have you in that top 3. Knock 1 or 2 of them out of there. Great on this popularity, which means some things in the backlinks for you. You're beating those guys too, also on your popularity. Of the strength of the website. 493 backlinks coming from are generating 1,200 keywords. Okay, and then you can see though your organic traffic is less than 900, and the value is at 5,300. Okay, so the biggest thing that I see, we were talking about backlinks. Okay, and the third thing is citations. A citation is your name, address, phone number, and business hours. These appear in your Google business profile, your social media profiles, those kind of things. Could be also in a directory, in a blog, those kind of things. So a citation is a type of a backlink, but it's specific to your name, address, phone number, business hours. If we take a look right here, guys, here's what I would suggest you change for backlinking and citations. These numbers need to be reversed. A do follow link is a relevant industry specific link that drives power to your website, both popularity and the strength of the website. So that's the other thing I recommend, is that you need to flip these 2 numbers around, and the no follow needs to be around 30%, no more, and the do follow needs to be around 70 plus. Okay, so that's what you can do, the top 3 things in order to beat your competition here with Elite, GT, and Transcendent. I'm happy to help with this. As I've told Tim, this is what we do every day. This is what we're passionate about. So again, the goal, my friends, is to get you guys in this top 3 here and anchor you. And the first page of Google Organic Search, the phone is going to ring like crazy. And then we could talk about expanding your keywords or even putting up a landing page for solar roofing, solar shingles, etc. I appreciate your time. Look forward to speaking with you in person. Thanks.